Want to do a quick midweek update on the Astro Excel and the other two indicators I put in on this week's video. The SSO, which is a timing tool, as I explained in the last video. If you didn't see it, go back and check that out. The bottom panel, the CMO, is a polarity indicator. It can run a little bit out of phase, so the blue line on the Astro Excel and the SSO indicator are the more important timers. But the bottom panel indicator gives us the expected pivot polarity. Then I've also highlighted some of these key areas. Anyhow, moving forward, as we go into July here, we've got key timing points at 4 a.m., 5, blue line at 8:37, 10:12 a.m., 14:55, 1600, 1920, 2200, 1:01 a.m. on the 2nd, 5:11, 11:13, 13:21, 1800. A red and a blue line come together here at 23:09, 23:20, 6:06 a.m. on the 3rd, 7:19, 10:44, and noon. That's going to be an abbreviated day, Friday, holiday light volume on Globex. Anyhow, what you should do, take these as like hourly timers, and then use the 4-minute Vedic Rainbow Planetary Hour Cosmo charts to fine-tune entries. And I've put price lines on here. These price lines are going to be good until we either break out strongly in one direction or the other. But the ideal scenario is to trade one of these timelines when price bars have come to it. So we had an expectation of a low here today in the 10 to 11 area. The actual bottom was on the 9 bar and very close to meeting the same low on the first up bar. Where we had price and time together, we have our timer right here for the low, and we have the price level to trade off of, fine-tune that with the shorter time frame 4-minute chart. Same thing again then this afternoon. We made high here at the green line on this key timer. We also had a blue line top at the 0 line. So that was another good indication the market was going to roll over off of that 75-60 area to the downside. So just kind of use it like that. This will give you a good heads up. Now you've got the key timing for the rest of the week.